Good afternoon, viewers. I'm Davina Viragustira from Breaking News, bringing you the latest news for today. The news is about President Joko Widodo invite one of the three prospective presidential candidates and his deputy, namely Prabowo Subianto and Gibran Raka Buming Raka, to have lunch together at the palace. Today, Monday, October 30, 2023. For more information, we immediately Risa, reporting directly from the Jakarta State Palace. Risa, actually, what time will presidential and vice presidential candidates Prabowo Subianto and Gibran Raka Buming Raka come to the palace?
Yes, good afternoon Davina, and also viewers, if you look at the schedule that we know from Philo Media College, I will that the schedule for the Joko Widodo presidential meeting with presidential candidate, vice presidential candidate number 1 of 2024 is scheduled to start at 20 o'clock to 20 minutes past 12 past Western Indonesia 10. But until now we still have not seen any offer from presidential candidate and vice presidential candidate, be it Prabowo Subianto or Gibran Raka Buming Raka.
Where you are currently reporting, namely at the door of the Jakarta Presidential Palace Priok. The is on of the access door what is commonly used by minister and also study official when going out and entering the palace area to meet with President Joko Widodo. We and the media crew have also been waiting at its location for later if the infinite arrival will be questioned. Related to what is the agenda that is actually scheduled by President Joko Widodo with his president and vice presidential candidate is the information is just look. But the temporary quest will also discuss about the 2024 election which will be held on February 14, 2024, considering that if President Joko Widodo on the action every week go also had also studied that when ketiga presidential candidate and vice presidential candidate have registration to the KPU. President Joko Widodo said that he would support the three presidential candidate and also the vice presidential candidate. In this case, it can be seen from the look agenda which will start around 12 on top later. Maybe this is also one of the support of President Joko Widodo for the 2024 presidential candidate. There is Davina that we can report for the presidential palace. Back to you in the studio.
Risa report directly, thank you. Good viewers, we will update more information after the following post.
This is Channels Television's breaking news.
You want the breaking news at noon today? Our viewers will update the information of President Joko Widodo inviting one of the three future presidential and vice presidential candidates, namely Prabowo Subianto and Gibran Raka Buming Raka, to have lunch together at the palace. We got the last information from the coverage at the palace. Who was present was the presidential candidate Prabowo Subianto, who was present at 15 minutes past 12 minutes, while 3 minutes Later, the vice presidential candidate Gibran Raka Buming Raka was also present at the palace, fulfilling the invitation from President Joko Widodo. And the following what viewers see on the small screen is the ongoing atmosphere in the palace, namely the taking place to eat together at the round table. After eating together, we got several statements from the presidential and vice presidential candidates. Here, listen to the statement.
Good afternoon, friend of reporters. So we were that invited to eat by president and the food was okay.
I ate a lot earlier.
There was soto earlier, lontong, squid, vegetables. To it's pretty good. We are also with a familiar atmosphere. And earlier, we also intended being invited. If we were invited, we can really get together. I think so. So he also hope for a good atmosphere, and we also hope it's a good atmosphere. That's how.
Is there an important conversation, sir, or it's privacy?
No, let's talk in general.
No, Sir Gibran. How is Sir mission on impression after eating together with President Joko Widodo?
Yes, we thank you for the invitation to lunch with the president. I'm said the invitation last week to be invited on Sunday, but we contribute last Sunday. There was a commitment to the people in Jember, so it told then thank you for the pleasure of making Monday so that we call casual. Many things are everything is league and the league there is nothing have, but we often meet many people who love the president and those who love life. I messenger for the president to maintain neutrality and emphasis to all officials to maintaining neutrality in the presidential election and earlier that did gather official will governor regents and the event gather the TNI police and all the officer to be neutral and will that is an important messenger that make for presidential election tomorrow safe, peaceful and professional and also respect that will and positive. Yeah, maybe that's all.
Sir, can you explain why you wear all batik coats? What appointment is determined for wear batik coats or what? Sir?
Yes, it just happened. We don't promise, sir.
Yes, we don't promise.
What does that mean, sir? If I may know?
Yes, it means that we are Indonesian who love Indonesian product, local products that all.
Sorry for the friend. Thank you. We were both talking together with the president. We know actually that's the president. It's trying for us to always to be able to communicate well, and he is a good person and always support a good democratic system, and hopefully what we said will be carried out well.
and our job let's kick into her with is election. Everyone can go fire and we can take care of it for her and it turned out that someone did it rich but at rich takes that Mr. Prabowo.
Haha, yes, I am.
I am a lot of rich with the president and the food was delicious. So what do we think we can say is the nose?
Why is that neutrality important to discuss at this time, sir?
Yes, it's important democracy. If there is no neutrality, becomes very perishable or become be said.
Okay, that knock from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
That's all news for today. Check this out at Breaking News for the latest updates. I'm Davina Viragustira. Thank you for watching and have a good day.
Aduh, ada si emak.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Ini mah oke.
Important conference.
Important.